Hi everyone, welcome to Brimitech. In this video training, I will show you how you can easily create a Google form. Google Form is a free online tool. It allows you to collect information easily and efficiently. So let's get to be started. First of all, open up your favorite browser and on the address bar, go to accounts.google.com. Hit enter and you will have to sign in to your Google account, the account you use to access Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive. Once you have logged in to your Google account, you will see this icon, Google Apps. Just click on it and scroll down until you see these forms. If you click on it, you will be sent to Google Form. Alternatively, you can type forms.google.com. Hit enter and it will also send you to the same interface. Here it is, almost same. And as you can see, this is the home page of Google Form, and I wish you will see something like this. And here goes the pre-built forms. Okay, you can call template, and here goes the recent forms that I have created. And you can create a form using existing template, like here it is, contact information, t-shirt, sign up, etc. Just click on template and you will see all the available template. But in this training, I'll show you how you can create a form from the beginning. Let's start. Here you can see a multicolor plus sign. You can see here or you can see anywhere. Okay, but most probably it appears on top left corner or sometimes in some cases on the right bottom corner. Okay, so I'm going to click on this plus sign and it has created a basic form. Okay, here goes our form building interface of Google Form. The first thing that I'll do is just give this form a name. Here you can see untitled form. Just click on it and give it a name. I'm going to name Brimi Tech Event. Just click outside of it and it will save it. And here you can see all changes saved in the drive. Okay, so we have just renamed the form. Now it's our time to add questions. Okay, friends, here you can see the header of our form and below here goes our default question. I'm going to just click here bin icon to remove it. And don't worry, we can create similar things. And to add a question, I'll have to go over here in this section and on the top a plus sign and it says add question. Just click on it and you will see our default question. Here you will see the title of the question and here on the right the type of the questions or fields. You can call it fields of the form. If I click over here, here you can see a pop-up and here goes all the available fields you can add to the form. First of all, short question, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, date and time. Firstly, I'm going to start with short answer. Just click on it and I'm going to name here it is full name. And on the right here you can see an image icon. If you want, you can add image to this question. And I showed it. It is the type of the question. Okay. And if you want, you can make this field required. That means the visitor or the user will have to fill up this field. Okay. Just click on this toggle and now this field is required. Okay. So you can easily duplicate this question or field. Just click on here to duplicate it, or you can again come over here to create a new field. I'm going to click over here and show you how you can duplicate it. Just click and it's duplicated. Okay, now I'm going to put it location, and from here you can change the type of the field. This time I'm going to change it to paragraph to take long answer. I'm going to rename it to about you. Okay, and it will be a paragraph. Okay, and I'm going to add another field. Just again go to this plus sign and a question is added. I'm going to this time add multiple choice, and this time I'm going to add gender. First option is male, second option female, it added automatically, and third option other. Okay, add other. Okay, now again I'm going to click on this plus sign, and this time I'm going to add a checkbox. Profession, job, add option business. Okay, so this is a checkbox, and you can easily just change it. You can change it to drop down. Okay, here it is job, profession, job, and business. If you want, you can add more fields like this, and again go to plus sign, and this time I'm going to add date. Okay, just click date, event, date, and from here the user will be able to select date, and you can make this field required. Okay, so I have successfully added several fields or questions. Now if you want, you can add or import questions from existing form, or you can add title and description. Here goes it, you can add title again, and you can add image, you can add YouTube video, and you could add section. If you want to build a multi-step form, then you can add section. Just click over here, and here you can see a section, and this one is the first section, and this one is the second section. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. Surprisingly, you can allow your users to upload any file like PDF file or any image. Then you can go over here on this plus sign, and this time you can just choose from this one, file upload. And the important thing is that file will be uploaded to the Google Drive. So click here to continue and upload your CV. If you want any specific file type, just click on this toggle, and here you can allow document, PDF, and any image. Okay, and number of the file 1 or 5. Okay, 1 file, and maximum file size 10 megabyte or 100 megabyte. Okay, so that's all about adding the fields in this form. Now here you can see this form has two parts. One is question, another is response. Just go to the response, and here you can see 0 response because we did not publish our form. And here you can see accepting response. Make sure this option is enabled. When you want to turn off the response, just click over here, and it will just disallow any response. Okay, just click over here, and here you can see get notification for each response. Just click on it, and here you can see this option is selected. Now you will get email notification each time any visitor or user put their data and submit successfully. And select response destination. By default it will create a spreadsheet, or you can use any existing spreadsheet. Okay, just click create, again go over here, and you can download the responses also. So we have talked about questions and responses. Now go over here where you can see an eye icon, and if you click on here you can see the preview of the form. Just click on it, and here goes the preview of our form we have created. Full name, about, gender, profession, and date, and CV upload option. Okay, now come back here again, and here you can see the customization option palette. Okay, if you click on here, you will see a setting option over there. From here you can change the header image. Here you can see no header image. Just I'm going to add an image. Just choose image, click over here and click insert. Now here is the header image, and you can also add header image from your computer. Just click on upload tab and browse, and it will browse your hard disk. Here it is the drive of my computer. Just select the image and click open. Now it is selected, and you can adjust it. Okay, just drag and drop, click done. Okay, here you see the changes. Now you can change the color theme, and here goes the background color and font style. Here is the basic font, but you can change the font style. Select basic, and that's all. This is the way to just what should I say, customize the look of the form. Again, I'm going to click preview, and here it is. Okay, now let's see what is here. Just click on this gear icon, and here goes the settings, and here goes collect emails. If you check this box, then anybody who wants to fill this form will have to sign into their Gmail account, and you will get their email address and require sign in. Okay, the user will have to sign in to their Gmail account, and respondents can edit after submit. If you allow them, just check this box. Okay, and maximum size of the file uploaded 1 GB. And go to the right part, presentation. Click over here. Here you can see show progress bar and shuffle question order. Don't check this, it will just randomize the questions. And here you can see confirmation message. Your response has been recorded. You can add your custom message. Just thank you for submitting. And on the right here you can see quizzes, but we are not going to make a quiz. We are just going to focus on a form. Okay, just hit save. That's all about the settings. Now go over here on the three dots, and here you can see you can undo any step. You can make a copy of this form. You can delete it, and you can get the pre-filled link. If I click on here, and this is the link of the form, and again click over here, you can just add collaborator. You can add collaborators. You can invite your friends or team members to collaborate. Just click on it. You just need to type this people's Gmail account and they will get notification, or you can just get the link. Okay, click outside, and that's all. Okay friends, so we could successfully create a form, and we talked about the settings. Let's see how we can just form this field and see the result. And I'm going to open another window, and here I'm going to paste the form. Here it is. So I'm going to submit it. Email address, full name, because I enabled this option, and full name, about, IT, professional, gender, male, and profession, job, business, event date, okay, and upload CV, upload from computer, say for example this one, and hit upload. Okay, and here is the progress, and I'm going to hit submit. Thank you for submitting. Okay friends, now let's see the response of this form. I'm going to just refresh this page and go to response, and here goes the response. Brimitech, IT profession, gender, profession, event date, and upload CV. Just click on this link and it will open using Google Drive. Here it is. So friends, I could show you how you can create a Google form and how to use it. If this video seems to be helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in a new video.